Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Udechukwu. If you're new here and if you're seeing this face for the first time, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this crisscross braided hair. So this hairstyle is very popular, but a lot of people do it with knotless braids. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you a beginner friendly way to achieve this same hairstyle. You don't have to know how to braid your hair at all. All you just need are your crochet braids and your rubber bands to achieve the crisscross rubber band style in front. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. For this part, if you don't know how to weave your hair into cornrows, you don't have to do that. You can actually just pack your hair with a scrunchie and crochet on top of your packed hair. So all you just need to do is pack your hair in a way that it's very sleek and is laid back so that it doesn't give a puffy look. So that's an option for those that don't know how to cornrow. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed a few minutes. Please do not forget to like, share, comment down below. If you also try this hairstyle, please tag me. I would love to see your beautiful styles. Take care till next time. Remain beautiful and stay blessed.